Right, I got some goodies towards my CNC machine, and let's see what I got. And by the way, they didn't cost me a penny. I'll tell you about that later. Okay, sorry if I don't get this right, NM17 servo motors, stepper motors. I got it right that time, stepper motors. There are 6 couplers. They're 5mm to 8mm, I think. Yeah, the rods are 8mm. There's one of the rods. Soldered bar, sorry. And there's the other one. One's for the x-axis and one's for the y-axis. And as we were panning there, you obviously saw the drivers. These are the L298Ns, I think they are. And they should do the job nicely. And then here is the controller. Yes, I'm going to be using Mac 3 to start with, just as soon as I can find a computer to run a parallel port working. I've got loads that don't. Anyway, not to worry, I'll soon get one going. And how did I not spend a penny? Well, because you're looking at my birthday presents. A bit late, but that doesn't matter. But they're my birthday presents, because I said to my friends, don't buy me any chocolate, which I love, or something silly like socks. So if you want to spend a tenner, then spend it on bits for my CNC. And that's what they did. Love them. So it's thanks to Dawn, Mark, Patrick, Mary, Sam and Norris. They're brilliant. Right, see when I've got myself organised and so I can get this show on the road eventually. At last, rather. Eventually. Duh. Okay, peeps. See you soon.